Hey there, and welcome back. Today, we are here to guide you through the hassle free process of logging into your Brussels Airlines account. Whether you are jet setting across the globe or embarking on a weekend getaway, accessing your account is the first step to a smooth journey. So, let's get started. To begin, fire up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Brussels Airlines. Now here look for the login option and click on it. Now you can log in using your travel ID or just enter your booking code. Now if you are logging with your travel ID, click on login. Now enter your email address and click next. Now here enter your password and click on login button to proceed. Now if you have forgotten your PIN or password, you can click on that link and reset your password. Now here if you are new to Brussels Airlines, you can also register for a travel ID. Well, thank you for watching and happy travels with Brussels Airlines.